Hey everybody, this is Jess from JessicaLynnOriginal Studios, and today we're going to go ahead and visit a couple of national landmarks here in my home state of Wisconsin. Now the first one we're going to look at is called the Iron Wall. It's in Bayview, Wisconsin. It's on Pryor Avenue, just west of Superior. Now what's amazing is that this is actually you can actually get the water from this live well. I remember going as a kid, checking it out, and so we took the kids there just as an adventure to kind of just take a look at this. The next one we're going to take a look at is actually a boat that you can stay in. It is a place that you can actually rent. It's an Airbnb online. It's the Edmund View Boathouse. We took some time to take a look at it, and the kids were floored. It's so cool because it actually is like a real boat that has been docked in place of a house. And if you go out on their website, they've got some great pictures of it. I did put the address on the screen, but I will put it down below if you want to go and take a look at it. Very cool, kind of a fun place if you want an adventure with your family. I just thought, you know what, let's go take a look at it, and I was floored to see that it was actually a boat, like in somebody's yard. It was very cool. Now again, some of these videos you're going to see here, I did film this over the summer, so that's why the grass looks beautiful and green. Today here in Wisconsin, we are getting a ton of snow, so it's always nice to see a video with lots of green grass, because then you know that's on its way. And then after taking a look at the boathouse, let's go ahead and take a look at an historical home owned at one point by Mary Nohl. When I was growing up, they used to call this the witch's house. She was just truly a very eccentric artist who sculpted a lot of stone, beautiful, artwork. But because of its content, a lot of people used to say it felt like it was haunted or the faces were staring at you. And so when I was a kid, it was called the witch's house. And the kids would all go and drive out just to go and see it. And, it really is, all of her work is out there. It's surprising to see. It literally is right on Lake Michigan. So if you go down there, it is maybe 15 steps and you're in the water. So it's a really neat location to see. I did put the address in there. Just again, any of these locations, be sure to be respectful of the neighbors around if you go and take a look. Just because, like this one, it's a private, they don't do tours or anything. I believe it was purchased by the UW system. And at one point there was talk of moving it. And nothing has really happened in quite a few years there, so I'm not really sure what's going on with it. But, definitely it's worth to go and see some of these things. We're going to try and do some more adventures where we're going to take a look at things around our state and beyond. So let's go ahead and we'll just take a look a little bit closer at some of the statues in the backyard of Mary Nohl's house. Well, I hope that you enjoyed our tour of at least these first 3 national landmarks in Wisconsin. More to follow. But I just want to take a moment and say thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Jess, and I'm the owner of JessicaLynnOriginal Studios. Don't forget, we'd love to have you subscribe. There's no cost for that. It truly just means that we'll notify you every time we have a new video. Thank you again, guys, and I hope that you have a great day. Take care.